Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice expression root 3 plus I divided by 2 whole power 2027. So let's start. First we suppose that let x is equal to root 3 plus I divided by 2. It means that now we have to find the value of x to the power 2027. Now we square both sides of this equation. This will become x squared equal to root 3 plus I divided by 2 whole squared. Expand this numerator root 3 plus I by using this algebraic identity a plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This will become x squared equal to root 3 squared plus 2 times root 3 times I plus I squared divided by 2 squared is 4. Next, x squared equal to this square will be cancelled out with this square root, and here we are left with 3 plus this will become 2 times root 3 times I, and this I squared equal to negative 1. So this plus I squared will become negative 1 divided by 4. Further simplify, this will become x squared equal to 3 minus 1 will become 2 plus 2 times root 3 I divided by 4. Next, x squared equal to, from these two terms we can factor out 2. In bracket left 1 plus root 3 times I divided by this 4 is same as 2 times 2. So this 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, and we get the value of x squared equal to 1 plus root 3 I divided by 2. Now we take a cube of both sides of this equation. X is equal to root 3 plus I over 2. We have x is equal to root 3 plus I over 2, and we take a cube of both sides. So this will become x cubed equal to, expand this root 3 plus I whole cubed by using this algebraic identity a plus b whole cubed equal to a cubed plus 3 times a squared b plus 3 times ab squared plus b cubed. So this root 3 plus I whole cubed will become root 3 whole cubed plus 3 times root 3 squared times I plus 3 times root 3 times I squared plus I cubed divided by 2 cubed is equal to 8. Next, x cubed equal to root 3 cubed will become 3 times root 3 plus this square will be cancelled out with this square root, and 3 times I will become 9I, and 3 times root 3 times I squared, this I squared is equal to negative 1. So 3 times root 3 times negative 1 will become negative 3 times root 3 plus this I cubed can be written as I squared times I divided by 8. Next, x cubed equal to this negative 3 times root 3 will be cancelled out with this positive 3 times root 3, and in the numerator we are left with 9 times I. Since I squared is equal to negative 1, so negative 1 times I will become negative I divided by 8. Next, x cubed equal to 9I minus 1I will become 8 times I divided by 8. So this 8 will be cancelled out and we are left with x cubed equal to I. Now we take a square of both sides. So x cubed whole squared will become x to the power 6 equal to I squared. Since I squared equal to negative 1, so x to the power 6 will be equal to negative 1. And we have to calculate the value of x to the power 2027. Since 2027 is equal to 6 times 337 plus 5. So we can rewrite this x to the power 2027 as x to the power 6 times 337 times x to the power 5. This is equal to x to the power 2027. And this x to the power 2027 can be written as x to the power 6 whole power 337 times x to the power 5. Now we calculate the value of this x to the power 5. To calculate the value of x to the power 5, we multiply this equation x cubed equal to I by this equation x squared equal to 1 plus root 3I over 2. We have two equations, x cubed equal to I and x squared equal to 1 plus root 3 times I divided by 2. We multiply these two equations to get x to the power 5. X to the power 5 is equal to x squared times x cubed. So this will become 1 plus root 3I divided by 2 times I. So 1 time I is I, and root 3 times I will become plus root 3I squared divided by 2. And because I squared equal to negative 1, so this will become x to the power 5 is equal to I minus root 3 divided by 2. Now because we have x to the power 5 equal to I minus root 3 divided by 2, so we replace this x to the power 5 with this I minus root 3 over 2, and we replace this x to the power 6 with this negative 1. So this will become negative 1 to the power 337 times x to the power 5 is I minus root 3 divided by 2. Since this 337 is an odd number, so this negative 1 remains negative 1. This will become negative 1 times I minus root 3 divided by 2. And negative 1 times I will become positive I, and this negative root 3 will become positive root 3 minus I divided by 2. And this expression is equal to this x to the power 2027, x to the power 2027. Since we have supposed that x to the power 2027 equal to this given expression, so the given expression root 3 plus I divided by 2 whole power 2027 is equal to root 3 minus I divided by 2. This is the final answer of this problem.